Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing my first DIY with you guys. Officially, this is not my first DIY. On my Instagram page, I showed everybody how I embellished a thrifted purse. Now I'm back again to show you this wonderful DIY, super simple, super easy DIY I use with things I already had around the house, things you can find in the craft store or a dollar store. Super easy. Let's get started. You'll need felt mats, needle and thread, as well as a glue gun, flower bunches, assorted flower bunches, greenery or vines, and some loose flowers. These are my felt mats. I had a total of 6, which I thrifted. For a previous project, I cut them in half. So this step, I'm stitching them back together using a crisscross stitch. If you find the mats and you had no need to cut them, then you can skip this step. It's not necessary. But for me, I wanted to stitch them back together so I can have a bigger space. And this is where I'm showing you all of the mats together. It's a total of 12. Again, this is them in their halves. So this will give you an idea of the length and width of which the mat your backdrop will be. Again, it didn't have to be perfect. I'm just showing you exactly how many tiles I have. Now we're about to apply the vines. Again, it was very sporadic. It's just the look you're going for. I spaced mine out, but I had to cut them off the bunch first. Use a wire cutter or very sturdy scissors. Oh goodness. Yes. You don't want to get stuck with one of those wires. Take my word for it. You guys, listen, I had to take a break here. Do you see my nails? Oh my goodness, that's a no-no. Let's fix those up. Much better. And here we go, back to applying the vines everywhere. And you just do this. This is very simple. You just wrap the vines around, use the stems. They'll work for you. They stay in place. That's why they're wires, so they'll stay right in place for you. And I just sporadically put them wherever I like. So I have those set, and I think it came out really great. Now it's time to add your flowers, and again, these are the wire ones. Take them off, cut them off the bunch, and then you can use the stems and sporadically put them wherever you like. Use your imagination. Take your time, use it, but you can wrap them. As you can see, I'm wrapping them around in and out of the loops and twisting it so they stay still. They shouldn't leave. And the best thing about the wire pieces, the wire flowers, is that they'll stay still. Now it's time to add the loose flowers. White poster board under it so that way I wouldn't get glue on my table. I suggest this method if you don't want to mess up your working area. The fun begins with the glue gun. Just be careful, you know they get really hot. And you just stick them in between the felt. I put them in the crevice of the corners of the design to make it have somewhere to. Then you place them wherever you like and do as much as you want and get as creative as you'd like. There you have it. I really enjoyed this project. I hope you did too. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.